Even though I hate solo trips, in order to take Italian medical admission tests, I needed to go to Rome alone. And here is the journey. Enjoy! Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Guess who is in Rome? Yes! I am in Rome! Even though I visited Milan back in high school, I forgot how Italians dress nicely and elegantly every day. Maybe just because I saw two big cities in Italy, but the thing that I can say is that people here are wearing pretty classic and chic outfits every day.
Okay, baby.
If I would wear these in Turkey, my friends probably ask if I'm going somewhere else today. Italians are the best when it comes to fashion. I like the shape, colors, and the simple but super put togetherness of their clothing. And since I'm in Rome, I thought, why I'm not buying an entire outfit from an Italian clothing brand? What do we think about this coat? I think this looks so good, and the pants also. I'm gonna buy these. These look so good. Oh my god, I like this too. Like this one, this pants, this coat, and then this. So good.
You're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have a good time. I don't want this shit to end. You don't want it to begin.
So I got a lot of stuff from Max Mara & Co, which is an Italian fashion brand. I got a coat, I got a top, bottom, and also like a scarf. I love it, guys. I like Italian fashion style, and I'm just like, oh, so good. Okay, so I came back to my hotel, and here I have my shopping bag. I came back to my hotel because I realized, firstly, I don't have SD card in my camera, and secondly, I'm gonna change my clothes to my new clothes. Oh my god, they're so good. They're so good. I'm gonna get a perfume for my brother, and a wine, and a lot of food, a lot of stuff for my mom. My dad didn't order anything. He said, I don't want anything at this moment, thank you. I realized that I didn't have anything yet, so I guess I'm gonna have some food. Should I go to breakfast first or to shopping first? I don't know. I'm not sure. Because I'm such a good girl, I decided to skip breakfast and go to the supermarket instead. My mom ordered a bunch of stuff from the supermarket, and I wanted to make sure I bought everything she wanted. I was taking videos and photos for my mom to pick. I was the only one taking videos of the supermarket vigorously, so I understand why people were staring at me.
Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love, like a love.
Hi guys, I came back from my mom's supermarket shopping, and my arms hurt so much. She ordered so many cheese, coffee, wine, and like even toothpaste that my arms are like, my bank account is like. Because look at this. This is all coffee, cheese, and a lot of yummy stuff. And then I got two Barolo wines, and this toothpaste is our favorite. And also pasta and stuff. Whew! I'm tired. Friday's night, when I was having like my breakfast at the breakfast hall, I met with a girl and said hi to her, and then we like started to chat. And then, yeah, we became friends. I'm gonna meet with that girl in a cafe in Rome. Pompi. We're gonna have tiramisu, but I'm also like starving, so I think I'm gonna get something to eat, or we might eat together. I look like an introvert, but I'm actually an extrovert. I realized that she doesn't have battery, so I'm gonna bring her my power bank to charge her phone because she needs battery. Let's go. The city of Rome is so beautiful that even walking around the city is an enjoyable activity itself. I was fascinated by the beauty of the architecture in Rome and filming random places. I'm looking forward to moving to Rome and enjoying this view every day.
bet I be driving you crazy. Got that shit out of the gutter, did it for me and my brothers. Loving the way that you hate me, baby, it's feeling amazing. I'm feeling amazing, but I got pain.
I met with Claire and we decided to have some tiramisu, which you guys recommended me on Instagram. And the tiramisu there was amazing. I really loved it.
I got pain, so you gon' pay. Look at the way.
You know, since we just met with Claire, I didn't want to scare her with my reactions to food, so I was reacting from the inside, but it was a pain. Anyways, we talked about really random stuff about our lives. She's currently living in the UK, so we talked about that, and I talked about my school and why I want to move to Italy and stuff. And it was really nice to have conversation. I feel like we need to approach to more people and say hi and become friends with them, because you know my mom is Japanese. I feel like in Japanese culture we're like pretty scared of strangers, and saying hi to them and talking to them is not a really part of our culture. But I decided to bring my friendliness and a little bit of courage to that, and you know, I made a super nice friend in this journey. I love that. I think I should do it more.
Last year I applied for veterinary medicine.
Okay.
I applied there and I applied to Bulgaria and I got in quite a few years ago.
Oh yeah. I mean, Italy. We went to city center to shop a bit, and I was trying to buy everything that I saw because it was so beautiful, everything, and I wanted everything, but little did I know that my balance is not unlimited. You're my guide.
Aww.
I'm like so bad at it, even though it says like right, left. I'm like, where is right?
I walked so much, you know, in Rome. I came back to my hotel and I only had tiramisu for like food, as a food today. And I'm starving right now. I didn't have a breakfast, lunch. I just had like one tiramisu and that was it. I'll have a dinner at a restaurant. I have to look for that too. But like currently, everywhere is everywhere. We say it in Turkish. Her yerde. I think tomorrow I'll look for a scarf for my mom, and I also gonna get a perfume for my brother. I looked for perfumes, but I decided to like buy it in airport because it's probably cheaper. After like posting a couple of stories on my Instagram, I get a lot of like DMs saying that, oh, it's nice to have a rich parents and stuff. Girl, I'm paying all this by my own money that I make from YouTube and, you know, various sources. I spend my own money. My mom gave me a little of like pocket money to eat my dinner. But other than that, I booked my own flight ticket, I booked my hotel, I got all of these by myself. And even like I paid for my own taxi and all that stuff. Like, what the heck? People think that if you're like young, you can make your own money. But girl, the world is changing. YouTube is a huge business. A lot of people don't realize that YouTube is a huge business opportunity, but people can make literally a life out of it. A lot of people think that in order to make a lot of money, you need to reach 1 million or more, but it's not like that. If you do the right steps and if you treat it as a business and work for your channel, and then if it performs well too, you can make quite a lot of money. I might film a video about how much and how I make money. I made a video before, but I might do a more detailed video about it. But I've been thinking about the pros and cons of this, like how much I make type of a video, because, you know, money's some sort of a taboo topic, but at the same time I want to inform and, you know, realize people. But my mom is saying like, don't do it. Like, everybody watches your videos. Don't do it. So we're kind of discussing. Because, you know, letting everyone know how much I make is kind of like a risky move in my opinion. But at the same time, I want to, you know, bring you value and realize how much you can make money from YouTube and how you can make money. Because I watched Ali Abdal's video before, and that video really helped me how I can monetize my channel and how I can, you know, grow this business and make more money out of this channel. So I would like to make a video, but if I couldn't make this video because of like some personal reason, I would highly recommend checking Ali's how much I make as a YouTuber / doctor video. It's like so informative. One of the reasons why I made this channel in English is that when you make your channel international, the opportunities you have is much bigger than you doing your channel in Japanese or in Turkish, because when you do your channel in Turkish or Japanese, you can, you know, only target Turkish people or Japanese people. But when you do in English, you can target everyone in the world, and there's so many brands internationally, so the opportunity is much bigger when you do your channel in English. A lot of people say, oh, it's because you hate Turkey, oh, it's because you don't like Japanese people. No, it's not in that way. This is a business. It's not about feelings, or it's not about emotions and stuff. It's about logical decisions that will lead you to make the best profit. And also, it's great to, you know, communicate with a bunch of people from different countries and different cultures. I always liked different cultures, different languages, and, you know, different ways of thinking. And when I get a comment from, you know, I don't know, somewhere else that I've never been to, it just makes me so happy, because I would have never ever connected with that person if I made my channel in Japanese or in Turkish. But because I make my channel in English, I can contact with a lot of people, and I can, you know, attract and target a lot of people. So that's why I make my channel in English, and that's why I'm trying to globalize more. Enough like giving YouTube advices to anyone who wants to start a channel. I'm gonna make a video series of like talking about how to make money on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. But I'm literally starving and I need something to eat. What should I eat?
I looked for restaurants online and I found a restaurant that has really good reviews and it's really close to my hotel, so I decided to go there.
I'm just walking at the moment, but look how beautiful the city is. I'm just kinda impressed. I survived, guys. I walked about like 20 minutes, I guess. I was planning to get a taxi, just like hop on a taxi and come to my hotel, but then I realized how much I ate. I don't know why, but I cannot eat that much in Italy, even though the food is really good. I feel like I used to eat more when I was in Turkey. Maybe it's about the like portion size, or maybe it's about the food, but I feel like I don't eat that much anymore. I don't know why though. I only had like today tiramisu, salmon mozzarella thing, and a pasta, and that was it like for today's food, and also like a glass of wine. I don't know what the heck is going on with my stomach, but it's that, I don't know, it's kind of interesting though. But I have to pack because, as you can see, the room is kind of in chaos. So I need to pack all of the stuff, and I also need to don't forget my mom's cheese. Don't forget that, Ruri. Okay. I was planning to film like my reactions to food, because I know that you guys like kind of watching my reaction to food. But then, like, everybody was looking at me. Maybe it was because I was holding my camera. Maybe it was because I was the only Asian there. Maybe it was because I was the only one who was eating dinner alone. There's so many potential reasons why people looking at me, but people were looking at me and I kind of like felt embarrassed. So I couldn't like film that much when I was in a restaurant. But yeah, we're doing fine, baby. It's good. I'm so full. Oh.
After packing all of my stuff, I hopped on an airplane to go back home. Normally it takes 2 hours and 50 minutes to fly from Rome to Istanbul, but there was a hurricane. somebody gave up their flight and now the whole plane is having a security check. And because of that hurricane, the total flight took literally 8 hours. We firstly flew to Antalya, which is pretty far away from Istanbul, and waited there for 5 hours. After waiting 5 hours in Antalya, we flew back to Istanbul. I was really lethargic because it took me 8 hours, guys. But in order to relieve that stress, I ordered a glass of wine to relax myself. I had it and I slept. People were fighting in the aircraft, saying that it's so unfair for them to wait 5 hours in Antalya without getting informed and stuff. But I was too tired to care about those, so I just had a sip from my wine and then slept. That's it. Thank you for watching.